Mommy wants to make a calendar girl of me, so here's the stay-at-home edition for everyone to see. On the first day we stayed at home, I dressed to impress in my January birthday dress. On the second day we stayed at home, I looked quite divine as I dressed up as a Valentine. On the third day we stayed at home, it was March, I heard her say, so I dressed up for St. Patrick's Day. On the fourth day we stayed at home, her nerves were getting frayed, and she dressed me for an Easter parade. On the fifth day we stayed at home, it was time to dress for May, so I wore a dress for Mother's Day. On the sixth day we stayed at home, I clapped my paws with glee in my coconut shell bikini. On the seventh day we stayed at home for the July 4th holiday. I honored the USA. On the eighth day we stayed at home for the August heat. A sundress cannot be beat. On the ninth day we stayed at home, I looked super cool as I dressed up to go to school. On the 10th day we stayed at home, it was time to prepare to dress as a Halloween bear. On the 11th day we stayed at home for Thanksgiving Day. In a turkey dress I did sashay. On the 12th day we stayed at home for the last month of the year. In my dress I felt such Christmas cheer. Although we still must stay at home, the calendar's a wrap. So now I can go back upstairs and take a little nap.